Next, let's introduce Xiaomi's motor. Okay, first we need to prepare such a USB to CAN. There is another line like this. XT30, and this structure can be joined together. Okay, so it has a total of 4 wires. These two are connected to a DC power supply. It's 24 volts. Yeah, and here's a USB to CAN. First, we charge it. We'll hook it up to the computer first. Now let's connect first. Pre-install the CH340 driver before connecting. It uploads the parameter list. If there is no such parameter table, we need to upload parameters in the configuration. Then reopen the software. Let's do a speed test first. Okay, so we're going to switch position mode. Let's set the 0 point first. So, back to the mid model. Speed can be set in mid mode. Okay, we're going to set the torque. Before we adjust the positioning mode, the R needs to be adjusted before.